Hi guys, this case is about WorldSpace satellite digital radio service Harvard case solution and analysis. WorldSpace India discontinued operations in 2009 was part of the restructuring efforts of Maryland, USA-based parent company, which filed for bankruptcy in October 2008. As of June 30, 2008, WorldSpace Inc. later won WorldSpace listed debt of US $2.1 billion and assets of US $307.4 million bankruptcy, and sought to help raise new funds to pay off their debts. Two parents' regional satellites, AfriStar and AsiaStar, and related assets of land were acquired by U.S. company Liberty Media, which also owns 40% of the satellite radio service provider Radio SiriusXM. For more details you can visit www.TheCaseSolutions.com. Thanks for watching this video.